Hello and welcome to a Taxware video tutorial. Today we'll be walking through a setup of a new client. To begin, we'll click on the New Client button from the main menu. This will prompt us to enter a unique client ID. By default, this client ID is the next highest number in the list of clients you already have. If you want to enter a unique ID yourself, you can. For this tutorial, I'm going to leave it at 1. Next, we have the filing status. For this sample taxpayer, we'll go ahead and leave him at single. Here you have your taxpayer information, which is the basic information and the address. We'll go ahead and fill that out now. Once you've finished entering in the basic information, go ahead and click OK. The next window that comes up is the contact information page, where you can put in your client's phone number, email address, and driver's license info. We'll go ahead and do that now. On this screen, you also have the input for the taxpayer identity protection PIN. This is the number the IRS would give if your client had their identity stolen or if they had requested an identity protection PIN. Now that we're done with this screen, we'll go ahead and click OK. And the system will ask if we would like to enter dependents. I'm going to go ahead and select yes. This is the dependent wizard screen where we can enter in dependents. Let's go ahead and enter in a dependent now. When we've finished entering the information, we can click Add. This will add the dependent to the list of dependents, and we can add in another dependent if necessary. For this tutorial, I'm not going to be adding another dependent. Next, we'll check the dependent detailed information screen by double-clicking on the dependent's name. This is the dependent information screen where you have many of the same options you had before, but there is also other data you can put in here. For instance, if this child meets the substantial presence test, you can go ahead and select that as yes. Or if the dependent had care expenses, you can put that information in here. Also, if the dependent has an identity protection PIN, this is where that information goes. Now that we're done with this dependent, I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click Finished. And now you've created your new client. From here, we can safely exit the return. And if we ever need to return to that client, go to Recall Client. And they will be in the list from which you can select. This wraps up our walkthrough on setting up a new client. If you have further questions, feel free to email us at support@taxwaresystems.com or give our technical support line a call at 1-800-877-1065. We'll see you in the next video, and thank you for choosing Taxware.